Phonics friends. I hope you're all ready to make another delicious dessert for Mother's Day. Do you remember last week we made a microwave mug cake, brownie mug cake? Well, we're going to use the same recipe today, but we're going to make it into a most delicious dessert. We're going to use some Lamington fingers, but first of all we need to join them together to make a little sandwich cake. See, they're not actually stuck together. They've got coconut around them, so some of the coconut is dropping off, but that's okay because we've got lots of other ingredients to add to them. So I'm just going to get a little teaspoon of my jam to stick our Lamington sandwiches together, like that. Little teaspoon of jam. There we go, spread it along the little Lamington finger and join the two like a jam sandwich. Okay, I've done the other 4 sets. I just need to do one more and then we'll get with the dessert that I've cooked in the microwave ahead of time because I showed you how to do it last week already. There we are. Our Lamington is spread with the jam filling. Join them together and there we have all of our Lamington jam squares joined together. I needed to wash my hands first, didn't I? Never mind, better late than never. Remember to wash your hands before you touch any of your food. Okay, in my microwave over here, I've got the mug cake. Oh, it looks delicious. Now, it is a little bit warm, so make sure you've got a handle that's not too hot or get an adult to help you take it out. Now, remember this only makes 1 serving, but even though it's Mummy's special Mother's Day, you might want to make dessert for the whole family. That's why we're using the Lamington fingers today. So what we're going to do, don't you love my pretty blue mug with a little hearts on, especially for Mother's Day? And it even matches my little pretty mugs on my tea towel over here, also blue. Okay, so here's our baked mug cake. What we're going to do is take a spoonful of the mug cake, the chocolate brownie mug cake, just like that. And we're going to scoop it on top of each brownie sandwich. Just like that. Oh, doesn't that look good? You can even squish it down a little bit so that it stays on top. There we are. Another spoonful of the brownie mixture. There's the sticky goo inside. That'll stick to the brownie, to the Lamington fingers. Squish it down. All right. Another spoonful. There we go. For each Lamington sandwich, you have a dollop of delicious mug brownie cake on top. It's going to be like a triple whammy dessert for Mummy's special Mother's Day. Okay, we're nearly there. 2 more, I think. Yep. Oh, that might be quite a bit. Make sure you're working on a nice tray or a plate so you can catch all the crumbs. There are a lot of crumbs. Oh, there might even be a little bit in the mug left for you to sample. Lucky. Okay. There we are, all our brownies. I think I'll put my pretty mug in the way, haven't I? I'll just move it to the side for you. All our brownies have a dollop of delicious brownie mug cake on top. But that's not all. You're going to choose between some lollies or some chocolate or Mummy's any other favorite topping that Mummy might like. I've got some more coconut here because the Lamingtons already have coconut. And of course you can't go past hundreds of thousands. So I think I will have 2 with some lollies squished into the dessert. Doesn't that look good? Maybe some pink and purple and red ones squished into the mug cake. Oh, the jam squeezing out the side. See? How good does that look? And then these 2 in the middle, I'll have some chocolate on top. Triple chocolate, isn't that good? Chocolate squares, chocolate brownie, chocolate Lamingtons. Whoopsie, and the jam sliding off a little. There we go. There are the 2 in the middle with the chocolate. I'll bring them closer to you as well. The chocolate might even melt a little bit because the dessert is still warm. That makes it even more gooey and delicious. Okay, and then the last 2, we'll add one with a bit of coconut on top, just to add to the extra coconut from the Lamingtons. Make it all nice like a sort of a snow globe, isn't it? And then the very last one, we'll sprinkle some hundreds and thousands onto the dessert. Oh, wow. I think Mummy is going to have the best Mother's Day dessert she's ever tasted. There are the last two with the hundreds and thousands on top and the coconut. Easy as that. A delicious Mother's Day dessert that the whole family can enjoy. Thanks for joining me, and please show me photos of the desserts that you make for Mummy on Mother's Day. Bye for now.